Should the long pimple rubber be banned in table tennis? This question comes back every year. Every time a young talent appears with a strange style, people panic. Recently, at the WTT Youth Tournament in Italy, 14-year-old Li Wujun shocked many viewers. He uses Victor Curl P1 on a penhole blade, a style that reminds us of the old Asian uncle generation. Long pip on the backhand, forehand attack, quick step around and loud shouts. Many call him the final boss of juniors. And for players who have suffered against Pimples, this fear is real. I understand why beginners complain after losing to long pips. Learning table tennis is hard enough. You must understand serves, spins, placements, footwork and timing. Then you meet someone who uses long pimples, and suddenly the ball behaves in the opposite way. Your topspin drops into the net. Your push flies long. You feel the opponent wins with the rubber, not with technique. Many players say Pimples should be banned because the spin feels unfair. They argue that long pips reduce creativity and limit both players. They believe the ball should behave according to the contact, not the opposite. Some even say that Pimples drive new players away from the sport. But this view is only from one side. Table tennis has never been a single style sport. In the beginning, everyone used pimple out. Sponge rubber is the modern invention. Pimple bring variety. They create different tempos and different rhythms. This diversity is what makes table tennis rich and complete. Using long pimples well is not easy. At very low level, some players win just because the opponent has no idea what is going on. But as you improve, the patterns become clear. Long pips are not random. They reverse spin in a predictable way. When you understand this pattern, the match becomes fair again. If you lose, it is because your opponent uses his material with skill, not because the rubber is magic. I still remember my first defeats against all types of pimples. At first, I was lost. But once I trained with pimple players and learned how the ball behaves, the fear disappeared. Today, if I lose to long pips, it is because the opponent plays better that day, not because I cannot read the spin. You should treat Pimples as a problem-solving exercise. Adapt your tactics. Use the middle. Change the rhythm. Target their weakness. This process will make you a stronger and more complete player. That is why long pips should not be banned. They are part of the beauty of our sport. My conclusion is simple. Do not fear pimples. Do not blame the rubber. Learn, adapt, and improve. If you want to beat long pips, you need knowledge and practice. Once you understand how they work, they become just another style, and this is what makes table tennis great.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.